Stephanie started making $8,000 a month within 2 months while still working her job and taking care of her child. Jeremy started making over $4,000 a month within 2 months while he was still working his 9 to 5 job in Geneva. Michael started making over $7,000 a month within 3 months while taking care of 3 kids, his wife, and still working his 9 to 5 job. Lisa got a new child and started making over $3,000 a month after quitting her job and starting this. Michael started making over $15,000 a month within 3 months of starting this while still working his 9 to 5 security job. And Sanjit started making over $2,000 a month within 3 months while still working his job. Now you're probably wondering how these ambitious employees and myself went from working a job, not knowing how to make side income through an online business, to doing over $3,000 a month within this time frame. And that is exactly what I'm going to tell you in this presentation. So in this short video, I'm going to show you how ambitious employees are building faceless YouTube channels that make over $3,000 a month or more within 90 days of working with us. And this is all through our custom and unique made 5M YouTube Faceless system. And this is all while they are still working their 9 to 5 job. Now, really quick, this is without spending your whole paycheck on an online business that doesn't work, without wasting time trying to figure it out all by yourself, without feeling overwhelmed and not knowing where or even how to start, and without the fear of investing in your online business and side hustle without ever seeing a return back. So again, if you're currently working a 9 to 5 job and you feel ambitious and want to make extra money on the side through an online business and need more custom help building a faceless YouTube channel that makes over $3,000 a month within 90 days, then stick around because I'm going to tell you how we do. Now, before this system, I was also stuck working a job and studying and scared to be in the rat race, stuck forever. I wasn't sure which model to proceed, like what online business model to do and what even worked for me. I was confused how to even do it, how to get started, and who to listen to. And I was also overwhelmed by the amount of options and side hustles and business model that I could do in the space. Now, this 5M Faces system allowed me to make additional income next to my job and even to still study. It's the clear roadmap I missed when I started that gives me a step-by-step outline on what to do and in which steps to do it to get to that point. And it also focuses on one dedicated model so that you are not overwhelmed by all the options and other things and other ways to do it that are out there online. So my goal for this presentation is for you to understand what the 5M Faces system is and for you to join my private community, the Faceless Tuber School, so that you can start implementing the 5M method yourself today and start getting the results that I've just shown you, which if you actually take action toward this can help you build a faceless YouTube channel doing over $3,000 a month within 3 months while you're still working your job and taking care of your family. Now that's a pretty big claim, right? So let me give you a guarantee to make the deal even sweeter. If it doesn't work for you, I will work for free with you for another full year, 365 days, to make sure you do have a faceless YouTube side hustle making over $3,000 a month. And the reason I do this is because I work with over 100 people one-on-one on this, and what they need the most is custom guidance and accountability to focus on that one thing and get that running without being distracted by all the other shiny objects in the market. So this is exactly what I'm going to do. Now, you might be wondering, how can I have so much confidence to offer something crazy like this, a free full year of extra guidance, and work for free for 12 months if this does not work out for you? And the simple reason for that is the results I've gotten people that use the 5M system. Like I showed you at the start, the client testimonials are up on my YouTube channel. And I will show you some screenshots of people that they've sent me working with this. So Michael Garcelle here, he sent me this 2 months ago or 1 month ago. He made $24,000 from Faces YouTube in his first 1 or 2 months of starting. Now, these are pretty crazy results, but it is possible. Here we have Jeremy. Here, new record day, $600 in a single day. March, $8,000 plus in revenue. Insane results too. Michael Jardim, here, scaling up my network, making probably $15,000 to $18,000 this month alone with his YouTube automation channels. Here we have a message from Sanjit showing his graph of YouTube. This was around a year ago. Estimated revenue, $2,300 on top of his 9 to 5 income. Here, Lisa making around $116 to $150 every single day from her Faceless YouTube channel. And then here we got Stephanie also sending a graph with almost $2,000 in AdSense revenue from her Faceless YouTube channels. So because of these results and the other results we've gotten in the Faceless Tuber School, you can see here, I can confidently say that this works And if it doesn't work for you, I will give you the free year of extra guidance from me so that you can stay in the community until it does work for you. Now you're probably asking yourself, how does this actually work? So the way it works is we have a collection of proven systems and a step-by-step framework for testing and scaling Faceless YouTube channels using our proven 5M Faceless system that you can just enter the community, watch the videos, download the plug and play sheets, and start doing this yourself without any confusion or overwhelm what to do. So once you enter, we teach you how to easily install the system in no time flat, and all you do is follow the proven system step by step and ask for feedback and guidance on the weekly live calls you do with me. So you always know exactly what to do, never are confused on the next steps or unsure which decision to make. And let me give you a quick reminder. If for some reason this does not work after you take action and actually put in the work, we work with you for another 12 months free of charge that you can stay in the community, attend the calls, watch the courses, and network and mastermind with other people in the community to get this thing running. Now guys, really quick, we have an over 99% success rate on this program. As you can see, my Stripe disputes is only 0.96%. So less than 1% of the people are not happy with the program and ask their money back. And to show that to you, let me show you my Stripe window here, and let me refresh this, all disputes. See, in the last 2 or 3 years, we only got 3 disputes. One of them we won and got back. This person didn't show up to the calls and wanted her money back because life got in the way. So yes, this program is legit and does work, and people are very happy with it because no one is asking for their money back since it doesn't work for them. So again, from the testimonials on my YouTube channel, every single person in those videos who got the results used the 5M Faceless method to achieve these results for themselves. These are normal people just like you, working a 9-to-5 job and wanting to earn more money through an online business. So if you want the results they have, just take the action that they also done. Because you're probably watching this since you want to make additional money next to your 9-to-5 job, right? So just ask yourself, what would your life be like if you could make an extra $3,000 or more while still working a job, maybe taking care of your family, and doing this from an online business you run on the side? Now, before you go ahead and click the button below this video to join this program, which is at a very cheap monthly rate, I want to give you some bonuses. Because if instead on the monthly plan you join on the yearly plan today, the first 100 members who do this get access to these 4 big bonuses today. So bonus number 1 is that you get 3 free one-on-one coaching calls with me, Casper, to get your channel off the ground, give you a custom roadmap, and tell you which niche to pick when you're starting out. Bonus number 2 is that you get access to plug and play AI automation prompts to quickly create videos at the lowest cost possible so that you can get your channel off the ground quickly, very quickly. Bonus 3 is that you get access to our AI niche research method that instantly gives you viral niches to start with, so that again, you get your channel and niche off the ground quick and can start getting results quicker. Bonus number 4 is that you get access to additional weekly calls, channel reviews, and premium personal assistance from me on school and through calls. Now, the biggest reason you want to join on the yearly plan is because it is 40% discounted compared to the monthly plan. So with this way, you get 40% discount, you get all these bonuses, you get private access to me, and you commit and have accountability for at least a full year. And again, with the guarantee, if you do not see these results within 6 months, you get a free year on top of this already big bonus. Now, how do you get started with this if that is what you want to do? So step 1 is clicking the button under this video. Step 2 is that on the next page on school, you click the join button. Step 3 is make a school free account, which will be a pop-up. Step 4 is select the yearly option to sign up for yearly and get access to all these bonuses. And warning, by the way, the yearly bonuses are only available for the first 100 members this month only. So this is how it would look. You click on the link under this video, you go to this page, the Faceless Tuber School. You click on join the $50 a month plan. This will pop up. So you create a school account. This is for the platform we host our community on, school. So you make an account here. Then you see this monthly or annual checkbox here. So again, if you want access to all the bonuses and get coaching calls with me for free on top of that, you click on the annual plan, you put your credit card details, you click join, and then you enter the community here. And then you see this message, start here, read me, introduce yourself. If you read this, you will understand what to do. And then I made some introduction videos on how the community works and how you can do this, all right? So I hope this was all clear. I hope you understand that the 5M method inside the Faceless Tuber School community is what has gotten all these results for these people and gave me time and location freedom. I now live in Bali, I surf every single day. So if you want extra side income next to your job and having a family, join the Faceless Tuber School today and get all the yearly bonuses right now as long as it lasts. Okay, I hope to see you inside. Click the link under this video and I'll see you next.